The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a dust storm warning for Glasscock County in western Texas, northwestern Mitchell County in western Texas, western Scurry County in western Texas, Midland County in western Texas, western Reagan County in western Texas, Borden County in western Texas, Martin County in western Texas, Howard County in western Texas, eastern Dawson County in western Texas, Upton County in western Texas. Until 4:00 p.m., at 2:55 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from 12 miles east of O'Donnell to 9 miles northwest of Lenora to 8 miles south of Crane, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 122 and 197. Locations impacted include Midland, Odessa, Big Spring, La Mesa, Rankin, Ackerley, Greenwood, Garden City. Gale: Stanton, Coahoma, Forson, Sand Springs, Lomax, Lenora, Midland International Air and Midland International Air and Spaceport, Luther, Fluvanna, J.B. Thomas Reservoir, and La Mesa Municipal Airport. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake.